Hello, I'm Juan CR and welcome to my how to enable push to talk on VoiceMeeter Banana. I had an issue with OBS not registering my hotkeys for mute, unmute, push to talk while I'm playing a game, so I am using VoiceMeeter Banana instead, and it's really useful as a global mute and push to talk, as it's pretty much helps you get it on anything. On any program like Discord, you don't need to use Discord's hotkeys, but you can use VoiceMeeter instead. Okay, so you go to your menu and you find macro buttons, run on VoiceMeeter start, you click it, left click. So I got these two boxes for that, the macro I'm showing you. You right click and I named them push to talk. For button type, you put push button. The reason why it's push button because you need to hold it in order to enable push to talk, because if you put on two positions it switches on and off. Okay, so for keyboard shortcut, whatever you want, bro, it could be the F5, delete, escape, whatever. Okay, so this is an important bit right here for this code: strip 0 period mute equals 0, and it's 1 on this one. Okay, so I want to explain what strip means. Strip is these corresponding to these lines right here. So strip 0 is this first one, and that's where I got my mic currently. Strip 1, strip 2, and probably strip 3 and 4. I'm not so sure about that. I've not tested those out. So I put strip 0 because I'm here. You click OK, and you want to create the second box called a mute, which returns things back to normal. And then on the mute, same thing, push button. So leave this box empty. This box, strip 0 mute equals 0. Okay, so now that you have it complete, I'm about to show you what I mean. So this box will glow, this will mute when you press it once, and now when you hold it, you're enabling push to talk, and then you let it go. Okay, so that's the importance of the first box. The second box is important too, because you're pretty much going to be stuck in automatic mute unless you get out of it. So shift subscribe was my hotkey. Okay, so I just unmuted myself. So this is the second box is useful because if I'm playing a game, I don't want to hop back to VoiceMeeter Banana every time I want to click on mute and unmute. I could just use the hotkey, it'll help me get out of it. I think that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you want to support me. I'm a new channel, so thank you for checking this video out. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up. If you didn't, then click thumbs down. But I also, you're gonna click that thumbs down. I want some feedback why you didn't like it. That way I could improve. There's always room for improvement, and I want to do the best that I can. So thank you and have a nice day. Take care.